Introducing Zoho Creator's integration with a custom payment gateway. Zoho Creator allows you to seamlessly integrate payment gateways like Telr, making it easier than ever to process transactions directly from your custom applications. Let's see how easy it is to use the Creator Customer Portal to proceed with a purchase order. Simply click Buy Now of the product. Fill out the required information and submit your order. Enter your Visa card details and click Make Payment. Now let's process the payment right from within the same app page without ever leaving the interface. Zoho Creator seamlessly communicates with Telr to process the payment securely. And just like that, the payment is complete, all without ever leaving the app page. If you need to build any solution on Zoho Creator, feel free to contact us.